Welcome to Cooking with Pops. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell, set post notifications to all. Hey crew, today's video will be a chocolate pudding pie, which will be a no-bake pie, and here are the ingredients we'll be using. We have 2 boxes of chocolate pudding, semi-sweet chocolate chips, half and half, Cool Whip, and an Oreo pie crust. If you'd like to see this full video, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like and thumbs up the video. Also comment on the video and share it out if you can. Let's get into our chocolate pudding pie. So crew, we about to get into this chocolate pudding pie. It's very easy and simple. It's a no bake and it doesn't require a lot of ingredients. It only requires the pudding, the crust, the half and half, the Cool Whip, and the semi-sweet chocolate chips. And you can make this with your kids or with your family, whatever, for any gathering, and I promise you that your family will love it. So let's get into this chocolate pudding pie. We're gonna go in with 2 packs of the chocolate pudding. And we ain't gonna add no sugar to this. We're just gonna let the natural sweetness of the pudding be the sweetness for our pie. We're gonna go in with 2.5 cups of half and half. And someone may ask why I didn't use regular milk. It's because half and half will give it more of a thicker and creamier taste and texture to the pudding, because you really want the pudding to set in this no-bake pie. So we're gonna give this a mix. Okay crew, so we have our Oreo crust. We simply gonna open this, and then we're gonna put half our pudding in it. Then we're gonna mix the other half with Cool Whip. Okay crew, so give y'all a helpful tip. To get our pudding smoothed out in our pie crust, we're gonna take a middle spoon and run it under hot or warm water. Then we're gonna get it real warm and smooth out our pudding and our pie crust. Alright crew, so we're gonna move along to the next step, and we have our first layer of our pudding and our pie crust. We're gonna go in with 1 8-ounce tube of extra creamy Cool Whip. And we just gonna fold this in. Okay crew, so we got all our Cool Whip folded in, and we're just gonna simply put the rest on top of our pie. Okay, crew, so we got our top layer smoothed out. I'm gonna give y'all that famous close-up. Then after that, I'm gonna put it in the deep freezer for 2 hours to allow it to set. And once it's sitting in the deep freezer for 2 hours, I'm gonna remove it and let it chill for 20 to 30 minutes in the refrigerator. Then we'll finish out the pie. Then we'll cut a piece and try it. Okay, crew, so we're gonna take some semi-sweet chocolate chips and put on our pie.
What I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow, can make you grow, can make you grow. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought.
Alright, crew, so our pie ready. We're gonna give it a cut. Then we're gonna let Queen taste the pie.
Bit by bit, it's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way. Yeah, this was not a good stay, gotta go.
Alright, y'all, so Queen gonna give it a taste.
What I do, and it's time for something new. Yeah,
It's good.
gotta know when to let
You want me to explain it? It's not sweet. It's soft. It's like velvety soft. A lot of times people look at something and think it's going to be sweet because it's chocolate, but this is not sweet at all. It just has, I don't know, it has a really good texture to it. So if you have issues chewing, swallowing, you can eat this with no problem.
Can you tell the difference in the layers?
It tastes like, I don't know, like two different,
Chocolates.
yeah.
That's just the regular chocolate pudding, and this one got whipped cream in it.
Okay. So that's what makes it the silky smooth.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna tell you guys, hopefully Bae won't cut this out. Sometimes people will tell him in the comment section that I'm just saying this because I'm his wife. I am a very honest critic. If it's something that I do not prefer or it doesn't taste right, I'm gonna tell him, because that's the only way you'll get better at something, to tell the truth. So it's dishes that he make that's not my style or my taste, but the kids may like it. But this here is definitely really good. And like I said, I'm always gonna be honest. But no, this is not sweet, you guys. Like, it's not overly sweet. I think y'all should try this.
Alright, y'all. So I appreciate you, baby. Y'all already know the saying. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Hope y'all enjoyed this chocolate pudding pie. Pops out. Peace.